Welcome back. Let's talk about 10 things to bring to Disney's water parks. Stay tuned till the end for my bonus water park tip. I've done the water park thing wrong and I've done it right, and today I'm here to save you from doing it wrong. No matching outfits, no choreographed TikToks in the lazy river, just practical advice from someone who's been sunburned and personally victimized by the wave pool at Typhoon Lagoon, and still loves a good water park day. Let's break it down. Here's exactly what to pack for Disney's water parks. Leave your pretty leather purse at home. You need something mesh, waterproof, quick drying, or any combination of those three. Why? Wet towels, splash zones, surprise rainstorms, regular bags just turn into sad, wet bricks. Go with a bold color or pattern so you can find it later when every chair looks the same and your sunglasses are slightly crooked from water park chaos. The one I've chosen for our latest trip is the slouchy bag from Thread Wallets in red. It holds all the things. It's made from crinkle nylon and has 2 deep pockets outside, 2 slip pockets, and a zipper pocket inside so you can stay organized. Then an absolutely cavernous main area. It packs into itself like it's performing a party trick no one asked for, down into a neat little cube. It's so lightweight you could just pack it flat. It has an adjustable strap so you can choose which way is most comfortable to carry it. It's functional, low-key stylish, and ready for whatever wild detour your day takes. I have this bag in black as my everyday bag. I'll put a link down below for this bag. If you use my link, you'll get a discount. I'll also put my Amazon storefront for everything else if you see something you like. As a reminder, these links don't change the price to you, but I do earn a small commission that gives me the will to keep creating videos like this for you. Want to win a water park day? You could also try to bring a soft-sided cooler tote. It looks like a normal tote, but is insulated inside. Towels, sunscreen, backup clothes, and cold drinks. Everyone else is drinking lukewarm bottled water like medieval peasants, and you're out here sipping chilled Gatorade like royalty. This keeps not only your drinks and snacks cool, but all your gear too. No overheating phone in the Florida heat. Remember that you're not allowed to bring loose ice into any of the parks, but you can bring ice packs. Disney Resort guests get towels for free at the water parks, which is a nice perk. Use that if it's you. But if you're not a resort guest, you'll have to rent them. Save yourself the coin. If you're flying in and space and weight are an issue, consider microfiber towels or Turkish towels. They take up a fraction of the space and weigh very little. This is not optional unless you enjoy turning into a lobster by lunchtime. My favorite is this kind, but make sure if you use spray sunscreen to be kind to your neighbors and aware of your surroundings when you reapply. Put it on before you leave your hotel room. Reapply like it's your new full-time job, every 90 minutes or so. Don't skip weird spots, tops of feet, backs of knees, tops of ears. Burnt ears are a dead giveaway that you're a water park rookie. You want water shoes that stay on, grip the pavement, so you don't have to tiptoe across concrete that feels like the surface of the sun. Also, public bathrooms, that's all I'm going to say about that. Water shoes, or at the very least, flip-flops and Crocs. Comfort and skin preservation are key here. A rash guard means less sunscreen, less burning, less weird tan lines. Long sleeves if you're serious about not crisping up like an overcooked pizza crust. If that's not your look, consider a lightweight linen button-down shirt. Yes, bring your phone. Don't act like you're not. Pictures, park maps, texting someone for more Mai Tais, you're going to need it. A touchscreen works through them, and you can wear it around your neck like an old concert pass. Zero shame, pure efficiency. You can also get away with a Ziploc here, but it's going to be less durable and not physically attached to you by a lanyard. Disney snacks are great, but theme park pricing. See also $7 for a pretzel and some plastic cheese. I'm not saying that you won't buy the Hey Hey cone, but water parks have a way of making you hangry, and you can go broke trying to feed yourself there. Bring your own protein bars, trail mix, fruit snacks, things that don't melt. Chocolate at a water park is a crime against humanity. Guests are allowed to bring food items that do not require heating, but heads up, you cannot bring in glass containers or alcoholic beverages into any of the parks. Here's the thing, nobody wants to ride home in the soggy shorts of regret. Bring a full change of clothes, shirt, shorts, underwear, maybe socks if you're classy and fancy. Put it in a Ziploc bag, and at the end of the day, change into dry clothes and throw your wet swimsuit into the same bag. Want an upgrade? Use a wet bag. Washable, reusable, designed for exactly this. No sad plastic crinkling sounds, just practical storage. Look at you, organized, evolved, all eco-friendly. Pro tip, a change of clothes in a wet bag or Ziploc is a good idea to bring to the parks if you have little kids too. Do not bring your expensive sunglasses unless you like donating to Disney's Lost and Found. Cheap sunglasses only. If they make it through the wave pool, congratulations. If not, $5 life lesson. Be prepared. Don't mourn your wayfarers. Dehydration is definitely not magical. Bring an insulated, refillable bottle. Disney has water refuel stations. Use them. Hot water at 2 p.m.? Gross. Ice cold water while everyone else is standing in line for $4 Dasani? Victory. Bring electrolyte packets or drink mix singles to mask that Florida taste. Now here's the move a lot of people don't know. Right now, Disney is offering free water park admission on your check-in day if you're staying at a Disney resort. Got a split stay between 2 resorts? Guess what? That means you could get 2 free water park days. Not bad, right? If you're not sure how to set that up or want help planning, that's where I come in. I'm a travel agent who specializes in Disney, Universal, and cruise vacations. I help families like yours plan better trips, skip the confusion, and actually enjoy their vacation without turning into stressed out theme park mombies and dad holes. If that sounds good to you, my info is in the description box below. My services are free to my clients, I'm paid by the parks, and I love making sure people get the most out of their trips. What's your must-bring item for a water park day? Drop it in the comments. As a comprehensive packer, I'm always adding to my list. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more of the okayest travel tips and tricks. Float responsibly. I'll see you out on the lazy river. Thanks for watching.